Let me show you something. I'm in the downtown in the city, and I just noticed this pull station in the restaurant here. And take a look at this tamper cover, so-called tamper cover. Do you see a problem here? Is this the tamper cover that you usually see? Well, no. This is not your typical tamper cover, but this is a thermostat cover for HVAC. Look at it. So what would be the problem here? Can you list out the problem someone will encounter trying to pull this pull station with this kind of cover? I'm going to show you in a second what a real tamper cover should look like, right? A real tamper cover should actually look like this. Here it's clearly labeled lift here, and it labels up at the top in case of fire, lift cover. And this is how it's designed specifically and listed for fire alarm pull station.